Hi, everyone. I wanted to show you how to add in your Google Drive to a Canvas page. So let me explain how this will help. So once you have access to your Google Drive as one of the add-ins that you can put in there, so Studio is one of them, but there's a whole list of applications that you can use in here. When you add Google Drive, what this does is it'll be able to link a document from your Google Drive to your Canvas page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my drive. Now, what's really important is to make sure that you're paying attention to your login credentials. So you can always hit switch account. So another window might populate, and then that way you can pull another account. In this case, I'm going to use the current account that I see here. If you need to switch an account because maybe you're signed into both your personal and your work computer or work email or Gmail accounts at the same time, then you may have to use switch account. Other than that, you're going to go ahead and select file. Once you do that, now a new window is going to pull up, and I'll show you that. So give me 1 second. So now a new file is going to show up, or a new window is going to show up, and now you can actually select the file that you want. Now, in my case, I'm actually looking for a book list that I put together. So the one that I'm looking for is this one here. Now, let's say you can't find it, though. Not that big of a deal. If you can't find the list, you can go to My Drive, you can go to Shared Drive, like you can search for it the same way you would anything else. So if it's in a shared drive for you, or you could, of course, upload it from your computer. But recent files come first in this list. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. You can also search, of course. So I'm going to select the file that I want, and I'm going to go ahead and hit add. Now, it'll say attach file. Attaching this file will change the share settings and allow anyone with the link to access it. So you have to be okay with the share settings being updated. So I'm going to be okay with that. I'm going to go ahead and hit attach. Give me 1 second and I'll show you what my screen looks like. So now you're going to see that the file is actually in here, right? So now my students can see this file in here. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So that way I can kind of preview what this looks like. So you're going to see that it's got a whole list of, of the text that I have. You're going to notice that none of the students can type in here. Like I'll even try. I can't type on this. I can't edit this. All this is doing is showing them this. So this would be huge to use for, say, your syllabus or some other type of document where you find yourself adding to or needing to modify a little bit. This would allow you to just link a Google Doc like I did here, and your students should be able to see the Google Doc. They won't be able to edit the Google Doc, but anything you change in that Google Doc will be updated. So hopefully you found this helpful in giving your students and yourself a different way to share materials.